So, hi friend, this is Amit, and here I am with the updated information regarding the VIT Triple E Counseling 2025 that is updated after Phase 3 allotment. As yesterday you have got the allotment. So, after the complete analysis, what are the seats left and what are the options for future, that is Phase 4 and Phase 5, I am going to provide you category 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, every type of category and all branch I will cover. So, kindly watch this video up to the last, and if you want my guidance, then only try to contact me through the number given on the screen. So let's continue this video. That is, first of all, I will talk about VIT AP rank versus branch. Before discussing about the cutoff, I would like to provide you one important key point regarding VIT AP and Bhopal. So try to listen it carefully before checking the data so that you will understand it carefully. Category 1, 2, 3. Whatever they have provided, it is not like all the students have paid the fee. And many students who got the category 1 in phase 2 or phase 3, maybe they will be taking the refund in upcoming days because of the other counseling, other exam also like COMEDK, BITSAT and Manipal, Amrita, JOSA. So many students will left, and no one, I can say that very few people are interested in category 4 5 in AP and Bhopal because no one wants to pay so much high fee. So getting category 2 3 is not a big thing in Bhopal or AP. So you can get it at higher rank also, but you have to do the counseling carefully. All the term and condition you have to understand very well. So CSE 75,000 category 2, category 3 1.5 lakh also you will get, category 4 5 you can get a 2 lakh, and any rank also, because 4 5 as I told you very few people are interested. CSE specialization 80,000 category 1 I will provide you once you register with my guidance. It is my guarantee, so don't contact me for confirmation. If you are contacting, make sure that you are going to pay the guidance fee, that is nominal charge, then only I will able to guide you completely up to the admission for VIT as well as integrated course, and also for direct admission if you want in Vellore or Chennai. For that also I will just guide you for the correct process. I will not charge you any donation or anything extra. Whatever charge will of the college will be, you need to pay directly to the college after getting the admission. Beforehand you don't need to pay anything. You just need to pay for my time, that is nominal charge. Otherwise, if you will fall in trap of other broker, they will charge 1 lakh 2 lakh extra. Then college, I will not charge anything. I am just here to guide you properly for the better seat. So category 2 will be available at 1.5 lakh, category 3 2.2 lakh, and category 4 5 at any rank. EC 1 lakh, category 1, category 2 2.3 lakh, category 3 any rank, and other branch then these three will you will able to get at 1.6 lakh also category 1, and rest you can get at any rank. Next, if you talk about VIT Chennai cutoff, here is the information. CSE specialization, if you are looking, then that will be available through management quota only. You will not able to get it through counseling now. So if you want the management quota admission also, I will provide the guidance regarding that. So directly from college you will take the admission, no other third party. You don't need to pay any extra amount, and before admission you don't need to pay anything. So if you want the guidance regarding that, you can pay me the nominal charge to 3,000, and then I will guide you completely for the process. So ECM, that is electronics and computer, it may be available or may not be also. That's why I provided a strict, and for through management quota you can get this also. And the management quota fee is reasonable in Chennai, around 3 to 5 lakh depending on the branches. And ECE also up to 85,000 category 5, because no one wants to pay donation fee for EC related branch. They want to pay for CSE. That's why they will provide whatever seat will be left, category 1 2 3 4, they will convert all the seat to category 5. That's why you are getting category 5 only in these branches. Other branch you will able to get at 50,000 80,000, it is triple E or mechanical civil, like this branch you will able to get at very high rank also in Chennai. Now I will talk about the Bhopal campus. Before that, let me inform you about my complete counseling guidance, how I will guide you. So in the next section, kindly check the details so that you will understand and you can contact me accordingly. Here I am going to provide you the information about my VIT complete counseling guidance 1-to-1. I will be guiding you, as I am the only person who is considering this exam, that is covering this exam from last 6-7 years. So 1-to-1 guidance will be provided on choice filling dedicated session. I will be taking with you 1-to-1, and every student potential is different, every student's expectation is different, rank is different, so there should be a different choice filling for every student. There can't be a same choice filling, as also there is phase wise counseling and there is category wise you need to fill the branches. it takes lots of time and it takes lots of expertise to do this counseling. So it is a unique type of counseling. There is lots of risk. If you do better counseling, you may get better category to save your parents money. If you do a mistake, you may get wrong branch or wrong campus, or you can get higher category. You will have to pay 1 or 2 lakh per year extra. So these all things will be avoided, and I will guide you in a best manner to that, so that you can get into the best possible branch and campus with best category to save your parents money. Sidewise, you can check all the review of the student that I have guided from last year. Thank you. Hope you have checked the details. CSE is core up to 1.3 lakh category 2, and category 3 2.2 lakh. Category 4 you can get at any rank. 1 is not possible. I will not provide you any fake information. CSE specialization up to 1.4 lakh also, because there are lots of branch, gaming technology, bioinformatics, other branches are there. So those branches available at very high rank. And 2.2 lakh, that is category 2, category 3 2.4 lakh plus. EC 1.8 lakh, 2.4 lakh category 1 and 2. Other you can get it up to 2 lakh also. So better counseling will always help you to get the best out of your rank. So if you want, you can contact me not only for VIT but for BITSAT, Manipal, COMEDK, EEE, JOSA, JAC Delhi, whatever counseling you are doing this year, I will guide you for each and everything. So next is VIT Vellore campus. You also know CSE already filled in first phase itself and second phase. So if you want those branch CS, CS specialization or ECE, you have to go through the only management quota. For that also I will guide you completely. If you want, you can contact me, but for paid guidance only. But it is 100% sure you will get the admission. That is 100% sure. So EEE 80,000 and 1 lakh category 4 5. Civil up to 1 lakh you will get the category 2 also, and mechanical category 2 90,000, category 3 1 lakh, and lower you will able to get up to 80,000 and 1 lakh also. That is, other than this, those are very less demandable brands. So VIT counseling is unique counseling. Do it very carefully, otherwise you will lose the chance to join VIT University. So hope you get my point clearly. Kindly subscribe the channel. Thank you.